Okay guys, so this is another trim DESTASH flash sale. It's only going to be up for a little while, then I'll go back to my normal prices in the shop. And so this trim here, this eyelet trim, I have no idea what you call it. I think it's called eyelet. Well, it's, I think, cotton, this material. I'm not even sure, but you guys have seen this before. So this is $1.20 a yard. Then we have, and that's lot one, the eyelet trim. Lot two is this beautiful lace trim, and it's very thin. You can see how it's thin. And this is 2 yards for $1.20. This is lot number 2. Lot number 3 is this for $1.20, and this is that Chinese, I don't know what you call it, but it has ribbon in the center going through it. And what I've done, I've taken out the center ribbon sometimes when I needed it to be open. So $1.20 a yard for this. That's lot number 3. Lot number 4 is the same exact trim, but it has black ribbon in the center and it's white. And like I said, you can remove that center trim. So that's lot number 4. Lot number 5 is this cotton trim. Very pretty, very vintage. This is awesome on vintage projects. $1.20 a yard for this. And that's lot number 5. Lot number 6, and I only have a limited quantity of this left. This is another trim that I have used quite a bit. And one of my favorite. I love making ribbons with this. This is one of my absolute favorite shabby. This is very shabby. So this is lot number 6, and I would like $1.20 for this a yard. And I only have a few yards of this left. I think I only have probably 5 yards left, or maybe less. And then this one is a new trim that I just recently got in, and it's very gorgeous. It's, I don't know if you can see that sparkle, but it has a sparkle to it. I think this is the top piece, yeah. So it has a sparkle in the center, but the camera seems to not be picking it up, but it does have sparkle to it. And you get 33 flowers for a yard, and I would like $1.20 for this as well. So this is lot number 7. So lot number 1, lot number 2, lot number 3, lot number 4, lot number 5, lot number 6, and lot number 7. They are all $1.20 each, except for this one. This is 2 yards for $1.20. So first come, first serve. I only have a limited quantity on this one and a limited quantity on this one. The rest I have few yardage left, and you get 2 for $1.20. So they're all $1.20 a yard, except this one. This one you get 2. So first come, first serve. PayPal, friends and family. If you order tonight, it will be shipped tomorrow, because I have to go to the post office and mail off a couple of orders already. So leave a comment in the comment area, and I will give you with your specific order, and I will give you your amount. Of course, you have to pay your own shipping. For this price, you have to pay your own shipping. So that is all for now, and I see you guys in my next video.